Shailendra Velingkar has filed a petition before the Honorable High Court challenging the recruitments done in GMC. The approximate posts are 1,372. This petition was filed last year in the month of January. Thereafter, there were a series of hearings. The state government filed its reply somewhere in the month of September, October. And thereafter, many other illegalities have come into picture. We have received phone calls from some of the people whose names were published in the notice. Pursuant to the order of the Honorable High Court, two notices were published. One was published in the month of September, second was published in the month of October or November, subject to corrections. Thereafter, we have received phone calls that though our name is appearing, we have not been issued an appointment letter. This fact we have brought to the notice of the Honorable High Court, and accordingly we have moved an amendment application to bring all these facts on record. We have also come to know that no employment exchange rules were followed by them. Even those documents we have filed before the Honorable High Court. Today we have moved two applications. The first is an amendment application to bring all these facts on record, and the second application was requesting the court to direct the state to produce the departmental selection committee reports. The first application of amendment is allowed by the Honorable High Court, whereas the second application, the state government has prayed for 4 weeks time to file its reply. This petition will be listed after 4 weeks. So we have received certain new documents. In view of those, today's proceedings were kept, and we have produced them before the Honorable High Court.
सो जी पेपराचेर नांवां अपीयर जाल्ली पळय तेंच्यांनी तुमकां सांगलां की आमकां अपॉइंटमेंट लेटरच मेळूना.
Yes, we have received phone calls from those whose names were published, and they have told us that though our name is reflecting, we have not been issued any appointment letter.
Okay.
One of them has filed an affidavit before the Honorable High Court, that is on record, and there were other people also who have filed an affidavit, that is also on record. So all these facts we have produced before the Honorable High Court, and we are hopeful now.
Okay. So total
will be dismissed.
कितले जाणांक
Petition will
तुम
be allowed, sir.
कितले जाणांक ती नोटीस सर्व केल्ली अशें कितले?
We had served notices to 1,372 people.
Okay.
And from each department, there are approximately 22 to 23 different departments in which these appointments were made. Person is representing that department. The Honorable Court has given that order also, that every department one person is appointed to represent.
Okay. For GMC, who is representing?
GMC is represented by Advocate Ashwin Bhobe.
Ashwin Bhobe.
He is a special advocate who is appearing for them in this petition.
Okay.
The next hearing will be after 4 weeks.
सो तुम्ही म्हटले की साधारण 1,700 कितले
1,372.
372. सो कितले जाणांनी रिस्पॉन्ड केला? ओनली 2-3 people or how many?
No, in each department one person is appointed, as I have told you earlier. They have filed their replies on behalf of the remaining department staff.
Okay.
Some have filed intervention also, even that is allowed by the Honorable High Court, and they have filed their replies.
So any individual have filed it?
They have individually filed.
Okay.
There are almost 7 to 8 people who have individually filed, who have individually intervened in the matter, and their intervention was allowed.
Who has been appointed?
They were the appointed.
Okay.
They were the appointed people.
Okay. So today's your new finding is that without appointment letter.
No, these facts were brought on record in the month of January itself.
Okay.
Then we had to incorporate in the pleadings because of some technical aspects, and we have tried to bring them in the main pleadings of the main petition that we had filed, that these facts need to be brought in light of the new developments.
Okay. So first application is accepted by?
First application is accepted. For second application, the government has prayed for time of 4 weeks.
4 weeks. So at the hearing after 4 weeks?
Hearings after 4 weeks.
Okay.